Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how Temu coupons work. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to temu.com and then make sure to create an account or simply sign in. Once you've signed in, hover over your name. As you can see, I'm signed in as Luke. From here, we've got these different tabs and we want to go to coupons and offers. And now if you got that Temu coupon code, simply put in that coupon code here and then hit apply. So you can get various different type of coupon codes that can significantly reduce the cost of your purchases. And while you're here, you can also see your used coupon codes that you've used in the past, and even expired coupon codes are going to be put here. And also under where it says unused, it will say special offers for you. So you can even find working Temu coupon codes right here as well. Especially if you're a new user, Temu likes to give out a lot of good discounts to new users to make them come back to their platform and make more purchases. So it's a bit of an incentive for Temu to do that to new users. All right, and there's another way to insert or add your coupon code. So if you got anything in your cart, so for example, I've got these pair of shoes in my cart. So to add your coupon code from here, we need to get to the checkout section. So I'm going to click out of that, click on checkout, and then you're going to be on the checkout page. So you can see these shoes I want to buy, and we've got different payment methods, etc. But on the right hand side, it's also got enter coupon code, and then go ahead and put in your coupon code, hit apply, and then that discount is going to come off your total price. So if I've got 10% off, that 10% will take off from my $31 here, and then from here just make your purchase as per usual.